All right. First of all, I want to invite you to um, relax your body now. Relax everything. Uh, you have tension. Okay, we understand this process. I recommend you to don't wear shoes, or if you wear something very comfortable, depends of you. Uh, and of course, understand that stress is not only in your mind, but this can be in your body, your nervous system as well. And this is why we do these movements here for you release the stress in your body. Okay, so it is very important for you to understand this because once we have accumulate stress in your body, the parts of body start to hurt or be more tension, and of course this will affect you in your life, your decisions, your confidence, your presence. So this will be very trouble for you every day. So let's come to me and let's work this slowly. um, and remember, this is a process, no rush, and trust me, let's do this together, okay? The first position I would like you to understand is we have this body. I'm gonna stay front of you. You can go in any direction, okay? You relax your body. I would like to bend the knee a little bit just for relax better the muscle in your legs, and we start to breathe deep and in and your mouth out. One more time, your nose in. 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Mouth out. 4 times. One more time, in. Hold for 4 times and out for 4. One more time, in. Now you try relax more your back, your shoulders. Out 4. You can close your eyes a little bit. You feel very comfortable now. You forget everything around you. Don't give attention for anything else, only for your body. I invite you to look for your body and what is mean for you. Is something that you is heavy, something that you don't know yet, something that hurts every day. Don't worry, answer me now. Just keep this attention in your body. Your eyes a little bit closed, very slow movements in your body now. Go side to side, back, forward. Relax, yes. Another time. Take your time. Side, side, back, forward. Still your eyes open. Now, keep your attention again in your body. Where is more tense? Your arms, shoulder, legs. Don't do anything today. We are only look for the problem. We look what's happening in your body. My arms hurt a little bit. It's very tense. My back, low back is very tense. Just keep your attention there. Just identify where is the problem. The stress make this worse every day, so we don't want this anymore. All right, now let's come back to the exercise. Move your body a little bit to the side, just the balance. Another side, front, back, keep it going, and side. Don't need to do big movements, only small one now, okay? And try, same time, relax the body where it's tense, where it hurts. Put your intention there now. The intention today is release your body. Don't forget. So we try to release all body. Now I invite you to open your eyes again. What you feel in your body. You feel cold, warm. Try to understand the sensation, okay? Now let's ground and try to spend all the good energy to you and release the tension. The energy comes from the floor through your feet. Open your feet on the floor. Yes, like you step in the grass. Fresh. Yes. The energy, the earth energy come to your feet. Energize you. Slow and nice. Now the energy come to your legs. Very nice. Don't forget to breathe slow and nice. The energy continue come to your ribs, your belly. You can put some color in there. The energy can be orange. Energize your body at the same time. And the energy goes until the muscle or the location where you have pain or you have tension. And go, the energy is still going up until your chest. Now you open the chest up a little bit. Open, connect to yourself. Yes. Then you go up, neck, relax your neck. If the pain there, now it's time to relax more. Yes. To your head now. Your head is grow like a balloon and you feel free. You don't worry about the pain anymore now because this is such a release. Now in this moment, this little movement, your head sides to another side. Come back, little one. Yes, breathe. And change the movement. Yes. Now your shoulders up, down. Yes, work with the breath. And down. It's small. It's for relax. Up. Down. Arms a little bit up. Down. Up. full energy now. You feel much more better. Your hands come to your belly and feel this new sensation where you improve better results for your stress. Relax. The movement help you to understand and your body. Good. Relax your arms. Yes. All right. So this is the first step for us today. And then I would like to invite you for the next videos that come forward, because in these videos you will understand more about the movement and relax more your body. You start to know more the parts of your body as well and how you're dealing with this every day. If you stress, if you need more confidence, if you have a meeting or a presentation, you speak for audience. So this will help you a lot and it make you better every day. Okay? Thank you. See you in the next video.